What's up guys, welcome to JOYROOM official channel. I'm Song. I had a problem these days. I feel like that I'm too lack of exercise, so I decided to go out for jogging in the weekend. And I just got a new product, JOYROOM G1 bone conduction headphone. I can do the test by the way, so let's go. Hey guys, I have to say this headphone is amazing. It's comfortable and suitable for sportswear, and the most awesome is I can hear the music and surrounding sound at the same time clearly. And now you're hearing my voice is all from this headphone. Look at the sky, it's raining. Let's go. I just took a shower. Now let's talk about the experience. This is my first time using bone conduction headphone. It gave me too many surprises. The sound quality is perfect. The signal is stable because G1 uses high quality Bluetooth chip imported from UK. Now let's see the packing design. It looks very advanced. With instruction, charging cable, and a pair of earplugs, and the headphone. Here is the multi-function button to start and pause the music and answer the calls. Here, a volume button. You can also switch songs with this button, just long press for 2 seconds. And this is the power button. G1 has a very outstanding design, like this. No matter how you torture it, it will not be broken because this is a very expensive material, titanium alloy. Please forgive me. I really don't know how to describe all the feelings that G1 gave me. I can only say if I know bone conduction headphone earlier, I would definitely buy it without any hesitation. And JOYROOM must be the first choice. If you are interested in this, subscribe our YouTube channel. We will keep updating new information. Alright guys, this is Song. See you next time.